feels like to be lonely. And though I'm not afraid to know it won't be the same without you. And now I'm far from home, and I'm not sure where to go. Never wanted to hurt you, but you wanted to hurt me. And then you left me in the cold.
Just shortly after birth in a dumpster in Hillbrow, and the rats started eating him. Someone heard him screaming and they saved him and took him to the hospital. Certain parts of his body had been chewed off and other parts had just been chewed on. And so my social worker came and she said to me, there's a baby at the hospital and nobody wants him. I said, I want him, go and fetch him. And so she went and fetched him, she brought him to me. As I held him in my arms and looked down on the sorrowful little boy, he had the biggest, saddest eyes, and he stank from the suppuration of his wounds. But as we worked with him, and as he went to a wonderful family who cared for him, a year later he went up for adoption. 30 people came to meet him at the airport, his family, and a week or so later he had his first birthday party, and 200 people from his town came to see him. He was a little boy. So from being a little boy that nobody wanted, a lot of people wanted him. I have three concerns at the moment. The one is that abandonment is on the increase. The second is that adoptions are on the decrease. We're down by 50% from previous stats. And the third thing that concerns me is a new legislation coming in October 2014, which will make it much more difficult to adopt and slow down the adoption process. So because of these things, we realize that we're going to have more children staying with us for longer, and some would be more permanent. That's a reason we want to start a children's village, so that we can save more children.
Create a children's village where these children can grow up with people who love them and care for them and nurture them.